guys, it's Aduboy David here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to be talking to you about some of the most recent Canva updates, especially the Canva docs and everything that you can find on the Canva docs. So once you are on Canva, simply go to www.canva.com to access Canva on your website, on your laptop or on your mobile phone, right? And then you just simply click on docs here. Now if you are using a smartphone, as soon as you open Canva, just like this interface also you will see docs. So what you need to do is that you just need to click on that, and it's going to open up a separate or a new page for you. So once you click on that, you find yourself in this type of interface. Do you see this? You see this type of interface here. Now with Canva docs you could do so many amazing things, but with my focus for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your docs to slides. I'm going to show you how to use Magic Write, and I'm going to show you how to insert other elements into your docs. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you what is called the Magic Write. Now, just like Chat GPT, the Open AI and Co, Canva has something called Magic Write. Now with Magic Write, you just need to insert some words and Canva will help you generate content ideas for that. Alright, so to use the Magic Write feature on your laptop, you just need to click on any white space. Just click on any empty space in your Canva docs and click on this plus button. Now, if you're on mobile, you would not see a plus button. If you're on mobile, as soon as you click on Canva Docs and it opens up, you are going to see this magnifying glass, this glass at the bottom of your screen. So once you click it, it's going to bring the same options for you. Well, but if you click on any empty space around where you are working on a laptop, you will find this plus, and then you will see now this is Magic Write. So click on Magic Write, and then it's going to tell you to it's going to tell you to write out what you want and then the enter it, right? So let's try an example. Five Twitter posts announcing a product launch for a new alarm clock phone app. Then when I do that, I'm just going to click on enter. Now it's going to generate content ideas for me. Now it's generating. Now can you see this? Number one, introducing a brand new blah 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 blah. This is so powerful. So instead of using the OpenAI chat GTP, you could try this. Now let's look at another example of the Magic Write. Let's try an example. Brainstorm idea for marketing a running shoe. No, let me try another. Let me try another. Aha, list of 20 interview questions for a social media marketer. Now I'm going to press enter, and it's going to generate 20 interview questions for me. Look at this. Just wait for it to load to generate those ideas. Now, do you see this list of 20 interview questions for a social media marketer? What experience do you have managing social media accounts? How have you used your social media channels to promote a brand? Blah blah blah. How do you ensure that your this is awesome, right? This is very awesome. So with the Magic Write, you could generate content ideas, ask questions, and it's going to provide answers for you. So, as a content creator, a business owner, I believe that your content challenges should be over now with this powerful tool that Canva has introduced to us. Now, quickly, let's look at something else. If you click on this plus button again, there are several options. You could add designs to your Canva docs. If I click on design now, it's going to open up a new window for me to where I can get my designs from, right? So I could either use photos, I could use now. Do you see this? You could use photos, you could use elements, you could use uploads, anything that you want to add, you could add it to your your stuff. Anything you want to add, you could add it to your design. So that is that about the that other button. Now let's look at this again. You could add several stuffs. This is awesome. But my concern for this video is to show you the Magic Write and how to convert all what you have to slides. Now let's convert what we have here to slides. Now these are docs. These are docs. Now to convert them to slides is very easy. You just need to click on here. If you are using a smartphone, just look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see convert here. Click on convert. Now it's going to show you this. I don't want you to tell me this again, so I'm just going to click on get started. So it's going to create this presentation for me in few minutes. Now, do you see this? Do you see what it has just done for me? Do you see what it has just done for me? It gives me, it gave me several options to pick from. It gives me several options to pick from. Rather, pardon me if I made a mistake. It gives me several options to pick from. Do you see this? So I could pick from any of these options that I have here. I could pick from any of these options I have. I like this, so I will just click on this particular one here. I'll click on this particular one that I find here, right? Still loading. Okay, awesome. It's still loading. Now this is different types of presentations that it has generated for you. Different types of presentations that it has generated for you. Do you see this? I actually like this one. So let's go with this. Now remember, this is still in a raw format. You can make some changes to it. So once I click the one I want, I'm just going to click on create my presentation, and you are going to have a presentation in a few seconds. You are going now. This is a very powerful tool that Canva has created, especially the magic write and converting of docs to slides. You don't need to start creating slides separately. Just input everything on a doc and convert them to slides. These are powerful features that you should explore as a business person, as a creator, as an entrepreneur. So let me know what new video you like to see me create in my next tutorial. What new video you like to see me create? What new video you like to see me create? Don't forget to subscribe. Now, do you see the slides that has been presented? The slides has been created already, so you could edit them as you want. Do you see this? You could just edit them, add one or two things by yourself to it, and we have this already. So they are so amazing, right? They are so amazing. They are so amazing. So amazing. Now, this is beautiful. Once again, to recap this video, I talked to you about magic, right? And then I talked to you about converting your docs to slides, to presentation slides. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You can also share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video.